Hello everybody and welcome back to Manifest with Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below, and my affirmations list and audio rampage email is down below. And my master manifestation workshop, where you can master manifestation in 30 days or less, or quantum jump to the reality where you're worth your celebrity, down below. And today we're going to be talking about manifesting a celebrity. I had asked y'all what you wanted me to talk about on Instagram. Make sure you follow my Instagram if you're not. The first two were Celebrity SP. This week, this morning actually, I was coaching somebody on Celebrity SP. I have success stories from y'all on Celebrity SP. Everybody is just, Celebrity SP is the vibe right now. That's cool. So we'll talk about it. Y'all know I love SPs, Queen of SPs. I think manifesting people, no matter what sphere, friendships, family, romantic, is the easiest thing to do because everybody is you pushed out. Everybody is a reflection of you. Nobody's different, right? So I love celebrities. I feel like since I've known about law of assumption, that has not been the focus. But around when I was in law of attraction, actually, I was in my celebrity bag just from anything, like receiving money from them. You know who I used to talk to all the time? This is like so random, but I used to talk to Post Malone's dad a lot, like on a first name basis type thing. I heard our conversations. I remember one time because I was going to one of Posty's concerts. His dad's name is Rich, actually. I don't know if he does now, but he didn't do meet and greets back then. And I had just texted his dad. I was like, hey, Rich. Rich. I was like, why does he not do meet and greet tours? And I don't know. We had like an actual long conversation. Like this man responding back, he was like, yeah, I don't know. Like, but he, I don't even remember the conversation. I'm pretty sure I have screenshots. I posted it on Twitter, but even celebrity parents, because I know some people love celebrity parents. Like, I know people love Kris Jenner. I know people love this person. So it doesn't matter if it's their parents, if it's them, receiving money from them, whatever you desire. So first thing is first, this is with any specific person, especially a celebrity, with any desire, actually. You are not going to get there if you see this thing as bigger than you, if you see this thing as out of reach, hard to get. What is the point of even attempting to manifest them if they are on your pedestal? Understand your celebrity specific person is just a person. More people know they are not more powerful. They're not different. And nobody was born a celebrity with millions of followers. Nobody was born with XYZ. Yeah, people may have been born into known families, but they were not as big today as they were when they were born. We were all born the same, period. And we were all born with the same abilities, period. So that's number one. Self-concept, right? You should be the only celebrity in your reality. You should be the one that people flock to, that people are magnetized by, that people want to be or want to be with. Like, that is you. The point that you see your celebrity SP at, you have to see yourself at. Number two, I say this all the time. I don't think you guys understand how many celebrities, number one, don't even want the fame like that. I know that through song lyrics. Like, so many famous people be like, honestly, I just want the money, keep the fame. They literally want to be friends with normal people. I know Drake talks about this a lot. He wants to marry a normal person.
It doesn't have to be someone famous. It could be like...
It does.
Why?
You're not going to marry someone that's not famous,
Of course. I probably will end up marrying somebody that's not famous. Famous people really aren't that anything. They're not that intriguing.
I want to marry somebody regular. I don't want to be with nobody famous. I don't think you understand how many people just want normal friends. It does not matter. Age does not matter. Ethnicity doesn't matter. If you're not famous or if you do something completely different from what they do, they want normal people. Let's just say they didn't. Let's just say their friends, they were a billionaire who's only friends with billionaires. It does not matter. I say this all the time. I don't care if it's celebrity SP. I don't care if you're applying for something. I don't care if they're running background checks on you. I don't care what the requirements are. There aren't any when it comes to you. Stop looking for reasons to discourage yourself from something that you want. If you want it, your automatic mindset should be, oh yeah, I get to have this thing because I desire it. The desire is the proof that I can have this thing, period. Also, your self-concept, you have to see yourself as the perfect friend or partner or business partner. Whatever you want to be to this celebrity, you have to see yourself as that. Like, I'm the best friend that this person could ever have. They are looking for me. I say this all the time. If you desire, especially a person, it's because they desire you too. There are infinite realities where y'all already have the relationship that you're seeking, right? You're just accepting that relationship as being real, as being what is written in the stars for you. I desire to be friends with this person, to be this person's partner, to be this person's everything, because they want to be with me. They may not know me, but that does not matter because like the way reality creation works is we desire something, we persist in it, everything comes together. You were not born with all the friends you have now or all the partners you ever had or all of the business partners you had or all of the coworkers you had. Things had to align perfectly. Y'all had to choose to go to the same school. Y'all had to choose to go to the same work. Y'all had to randomly meet each other at XYZ concert. I'm telling y'all, it is not out of the ordinary to meet celebrities. Number 2. See, this is what we're not going to do. We're not going to be needy. We're not going to be desperate. We're not going to be begging them for attention on social media. We're not going to be begging them to post. We're not going to be spamming their lives, spamming their comments. Oh my God, please follow me. I posted this on Twitter a couple months ago too. I thought this was so cool. Rihanna had DM'd this account with like 2,000 followers. All they did was post like her son. They had asked where his outfit was from. She literally DM'd them and she was like, oh, I think it was Fendi. But she was like, oh, this is where it's from. And the person was like, oh my God, I can't believe you DM'd me. And then she responded again. And she was like, yeah, I just happened to be scrolling and I just saw your picture. So I just decided to DM you. Like, they will feel compelled to come to you. That's how you have to see it. They want to be in your life. Like, do you understand what it means to be the main character? Do you understand what it means to be magnetic? You have to increase your magnetism. This is for anything. I don't even care if it wasn't a celebrity. I don't care if you want a regular specific person. I don't care if you want a regular business partner. I don't care if you want to work for a regular company. You get things by assuming them for yourself, not going out there and chasing them, because whatever you chase runs away from you, unless it's the things that you want chasing you, you know? So if you already know, okay, this celebrity and I are destined to be together and they're actually looking for somebody exactly like me, why are you disconnecting it? Why are you then pedalizing it? You should be on the pedestal. They should be regular, right? You're the celebrity of your reality. The world is so freaking small. You will run into them. You will see them. Somebody will give you free tickets to their show. They'll DM you just like Rihanna did. They'll see your content. They'll want to work with you. They'll want to collab with you. Like, you never know who's watching you. It's so many celebrities that knew other celebrities before they were celebrities that saw their stuff and they were like, well, this person could be a really good artist. And then they became a really good artist.
Never know who's watching. Like, y'all don't know how many people's pages I be on YouTube. I found Rex Orange County. Found that man on YouTube. And I'm like, this is amazing. I had 6 views. I'm like, come to LA. Please, let's just work on some. Worst come to worst, we don't use it and it sucks, but this is sick. Now he's killing it.
Pamela Anderson, didn't she get found at a baseball game on a jumbotron? You will get put in the right place at the right time. It'll fall into your lap. When you're the celebrity in your reality, you will experience celebrity things. So now this is the fun part. This should be fun to you. This should be the best experience ever. This should not be, oh my God, I want Justin Timberlake to be obsessed with me, but like, how is he going to? He's so big. We're not doing that, because you're not going to get anything like that. Okay, I want Justin... so random, I don't know why. Justin Timberlake, right? I love visualizing. I just feel like if you can't visualize, that's fine. If you like affirming, if you like to script, that's fine. But me, I love being able to see it too. Like, if I see it, if I can see me and Justin Timberlake like, holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand, sitting on the countryside, sitting on the grass laying side by side. For me, that's like, oh, I just seen it. I just literally just materialized that in my mind. There's no way I could imagine something that's not real. Like, I just saw that too vividly for that to be fake. So whatever you like to do, that's where we're having fun. Justin Timberlake, oh, that's my boy. He hits me up all the time. He has my number. Like, we're actually DMing. We're texting right now. He actually follows me on Instagram. The same way you would do a regular SP. And this is what I don't like that y'all do. For a regular SP, it makes sense. It's cool. Celebrity SP, oh, now all of a sudden, oh, they have 1 million followers. They have 2 million, 10 million. I don't care. They could have 100 trillion followers. Oh my God, now all of a sudden, I'm 1 in 100 trillion. I'm 1 in 8 billion. I'm 1 in 150 million people that follow them. Oh, what if other people are also commenting and DMing them? I don't care if they were doing that to your regular SP. This is what happens when your self-concept is not up to par. If you see yourself as regular, you will get treated regular in your reality. If you see yourself as someone who you get to have the things you want simply because you desire them, simply because you said so, and the things that you desire also desire you, what reason would Justin Timberlake not have to be obsessed with you? Hello? Justin Timberlake, that's my boy. Anything I want, anything I need, he's on it. Oh, Justin. Oh my God. Justin just hit me up. I don't care if it's delusional. Every celebrity was delusional to get to the point where they are. I don't know a single celebrity. I already talked about this. What's the last video? Oh no, it was the identity video where I did the celebrity montage. Every single one of them, they sounded delusional, right? Even the clip with Ye, the guy was like, you were that confident in your record? He was like, I was confident in the line. Just the one line. That one line, I knew I was never going to be able to walk the streets again without being noticed. And bam. So yeah, I don't really care. Delusional. If you want it, it won't really matter to you. So yes, Justin Timberlake, my best friend. This is why I don't even like saying celebrity SP, because I tell y'all this for regular SPs. We're not stalking them. We're not, oh my God, their stories, post notifications. If you would not do that, if you had the relationship that you wanted with them, Don't do it now, because I hate when y'all do that. Stop acting different. I tell y'all this too. If you want social media fame, if you're the one who wants to be famous, if you're showing up any differently now with 0 people watching your live stream than you would with 10,000 people watching your live stream, that's your issue. I do not show up I'm no different from when I consciously started manifesting subscribers. I was at 80 and I went to 1,000 in the same week. Because I realized I was showing up differently. I was sitting here complaining of my lack of people knowing me. And I said, well, if I'm showing up differently how I would show up, why do I expect what I want to show up? Now I don't show up no differently. I don't care if the numbers say 25,000. I don't care if they say 2,500,000. I don't care if they say 2.5 million, 25 million, 2.5 billion. It's all the same. I'm showing up the same because I believe I'm the best in the world. And people are subscribed to me because I'm magnetic, not because I go and post ads and I buy ads and I beg people to promote my channel and I do this and I do that and I do that. I don't do that. That's too much work. And it won't make me feel good because I feel like I'm chasing something. And that's why we don't feel good when we chase, because it's supposed to be mine. But you just have to get into that energy. Like, it's supposed to be mine, so it is. Not it's supposed to be mine, but oh my God, he has 10 million followers. I don't even care how many followers Justin Timberlake has. I don't even follow him. I don't have to follow him. He can find me. Because I'm that girl. Period. Don't even worry about the how and the when. Whenever y'all focus on the how and the when, it's because y'all are not believing in yourself. You're still looking for that validation. I said Justin Timberlake is my boy. Period. And if anything is denying that, you're the one who denies it. When y'all look to 3D and say, oh, 3D this, 3D that, you're all the one who accept it. Do you think I get anything I want in life by accepting when life says I don't have it? No! Whatever denies me, I deny back. I'm not even gonna go on Instagram and look for Justin Timberlake. Justin Timberlake's looking for me. Until his NSYNC ass is the one DMing me, I'm not doing nothing. That's what I say. That's what I do with regular SPs. Unless you're hitting my line, I'm not looking for you, because it'll hit you in the face. Justin Timberlake will literally come up to me in the bar. If it's different to you for a celebrity SP than a regular SP, like if you cannot watch a regular SP video and apply that to your celebrity SP, that's your problem. And that's a self-concept issue. You're the celebrity of your reality, not them. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. With that being said, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe, including a celebrity, because they're just another person who is also obsessed with you. Nothing is too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.